This coin is one of the most bullish looking coins in the crypto space. This coin increased over 1000% in the last 3 months, and we are still making new all-time highs while Bitcoin is going sideways. In this video I will talk about the coin TAO. I will share my TAO price prediction with long and short-term analysis, and we are looking for potential price targets and potential buy areas. So let's go straight into the content. So TAO is one of the most bullish looking AI crypto coins with a market cap of 3.1 billion US dollars. And after this longer range right here in 2023, we then saw this bullish move to the upside. We built a new all-time high in 2023 at nearly $400. Then we saw this rejection and moved to the upside again, broke this all-time high. And today we saw this bullish move and broke the last high to the upside. So TAO is looking extremely bullish right now. And for the long term, I'm also very bullish on TAO because it's one of the most promising AI crypto coins in the whole space. And as I said in the last TAO video, I think the chances high that we could see the market cap of the all-time high of Polkadot, because Polkadot was one of the best performing altcoins in the last cycle. And if TAO would reach this high, we would have a potential of $9,000 and 18x to the upside. And I think the chances high that we could see prices like this for the future. And for the near future, I'm also very bullish because we made a higher high right here. We are clearly in a bullish trend on the daily time frame. So I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices. If we are using the Fibonacci tool right here, we can see some potential price targets for the near future. I think this kind of prices at $521 are very realistic. And if we are seeing a bullish move, I could imagine that we could see $586 in the near future. So I'm very bullish right now. And if we see a bullish close over this highs right here, then I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices. But if we see a retracement, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because this demand zone caused the push to the upside. We made a higher high. So the chance if we are reaching this demand zone that we then continue the bullish trend is very high. So if we see a reaction back into this demand zone, and if we then see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great area to have some potential long entries from this zone. But if we're seeing even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because the bullish move like this started from this demand zone. We also made a higher high, made a new all-time high. So the chance if we see a bullish reaction in this zone that we then can continue the trend to the upside is very high. But if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like TAO, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So I think these are two great technical areas to get into a long position if we are reaching this kind of prices. Because as I said, on a long term, I'm very bullish, but on the short term, I'm also bullish. But to enter a perfect trade, I would wait for a retracement like here. And if we would see then a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this would be a great opportunity to get into long positions. And if you don't know where to trade TAO, you can do this on BingX on spot and futures. And if you use the link in the description, you will also get a bonus up to $5,150. So if you want to trade TAO and get a trading bonus, then feel free to use the link in the description. So all in all, TAO is looking really bullish and I expect higher prices in the near future. And if you want to see my full price prediction on TAO for the bull run, then click on the video in the credits. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.